Hey, what's going on everybody? It's Clayton here at Zappos.com, and today we're checking out the Old Skool II and Marvel backpack from Vans, and it's featuring your buddy, the web slinger, Spider-Man. This awesome backpack is going to get you through school looking awesome. You've got the Vans and Marvel Universe collaboration, and check it out guys. You've got Mr. Spider-Man all over, peeking his head out of those cool checkered pattern in there to hang out with you all school year long. Around to the back side, we've got that easy carrying handle over the top and those padded straps to keep you nice and comfy when you've got your backpack full of books. In that front zipper, you've got a nice amount of space in that pocket with some organizational space and a few slip pockets to keep all your goodies in. And moving on to that main compartment, you've got the dual zippers that's going to open this bag nice and wide so you can put all of your What? How did that get in there? I don't know how that got in there, but got lots of room for all your supplies. So my spidey senses are tingling. I just have a very strong feeling that Spider-Man's somewhere around here. I mean, his mask is here and... Oh, hold on guys. I gotta go get this backpack from Vans. Peter, hold on, I got your mask.